This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Dori Pavlovsky. 2-story fountain city charmer with large farmhouse front porch. Owner's suite on the main level. 3 bedrooms up, plus a laundry room and full bath. Bedroom number 4 has no closet, makes a great nursery or office. Hardwood floors in the living room. All appliances included. Brand new, shiny July 2021 HVAC. Backyard workshop with electricity. Off-street parking.House is ready for new owner's special touch. For more information, review the details below or contact Dori Pavlovsky at 865-966-1111.